let's do a little bit of work on the RV. How's it going, guys? Corey the Random Guy here with you today. We are going to do a little something on the RV to get us ready for this nomad lifestyle. First things first, let me show you what we're doing. This fridge here has got to go. So we're going to sell it at a yard sale. It still works. It works fine. However, it is severely inefficient. We're going to take this out, and in place of this, knocked over all of our change. There's change all over the floor. There was a jar sitting here. I whacked it with my elbow. Anyway, so we're going to take this portable air conditioner and we're going to put it up in there. And here's my plan. You know how those portable air conditioners are inefficient because they suck air from inside the house and then blow it back out. It's not one of those two tube deals. This one's one of those just single tube. It takes air, already cooled air from inside the house and blows it out. It's severely inefficient. But what's neat about these is, let me show you. It has vents in the back. It has a vent up there. So I was thinking, put the back of that air conditioner in here, have it blowing all the heat out this way and keeping the cool air in. Is it going to be as efficient as a window AC or a split system? No, but it'll be a lot more efficient than what it was coming out of the box. That's what we're going to do, and we'll come back once this fridge is out. Alright guys, I got the fridge unscrewed. It is now separated. What I'm going to do to make this easier is I'm going to remove this door and then get this body out. We got plenty of plywood to make an enclosure for the air conditioner. So let's get the rest of this out of here and have a nice big gaping opening. All right, something's holding us up in the back. We're gonna go out and look. I know what some of you are thinking. Well, what about a fridge? What are you guys gonna do for a fridge? Well, we have that black one that's sitting in the garage. It's a fridge and freezer. We're gonna take these shelves, pull them out, and put that fridge right down in here. Another thing you guys are probably wondering, okay, well, there's gas. What are you gonna do with that? Well, let's go out, figure out what's hanging us up first, and then I'll discuss what the gas line is going to be used for. Alright, so as I was stepping out of the damn thing, it decided to fall out of the hole. Dang. So I guess while we're here, let's try to figure out what's hanging us up here. I see, there's a little thing here. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but we should be liberated now. Look at that. That's what was holding us up. And nothing else is holding us up. This thing isn't really that heavy, but it's awkward as crap, so I'm gonna get it out of here. It has been liberated. It is now free from the RV. That was actually kind of a pain in the ass, just to be honest with you. But this thing does work. Yeah, anybody needs it,
let us know.
let us know. Come get it. 25 bucks. 25 bucks for this fridge that came out of the RV that we are not going to need. It's a Magic Chef. Not sure exactly what the dimensions are. I haven't tested the propane on it. I have tested the 12 volt side. That seems to work okay. 120 volt side works good. That's what we're going to sell it at the yard sale for. So if any of you guys are local and you need a RV fridge that works on 120 volt and 12 volt, I'm not sure about propane, which I'm pretty sure it would. Let me know in the comments below. Let's go see what we got for damage since it decided to fall. Whoops. Well, I gotta put that door back on. Ew, this thing.
Don't forget this big guy that was right there on the side of it.
Oh yeah, gotta love that.
Here's the rest of it. There's the rest of the mud dauber nest.
Yay, mud dauber's nest. All right, so here's the plan. So here we go. We got that for venting, and we have this for venting. We actually have a plug here. First of all, we need to get this cleaned up. This is disgusting and it's embarrassing. All right, guys, here's the hose section down there. Let's see how this thing does. Sucked it all right up. Beautiful. Still open to part tool reviews. Just, I don't know. See what we can do. We get this cleaned up and we'll start fitting the air conditioner in here. Yeah, so while the wife's cleaning out the back portion of this thing, this is how it's going to be set. Have it right here, right along the side. We're going to kind of silicone it in right here. Everything is going to be silicone to separate this space. Then we're going to put a shelf right here so that we can have shelving space up here. And then we're also going to try to put little shelves right along in here. That's why it's off to one side. Go cut out some plywood that we have, and we're gonna start building this thing in, getting some shelves put up. Here we go.
Do y'all want to see the queens?
Yeah.
I got queens back
There
here.
you go.
I'll show you all the queens. See, I'm back here doing all these cleans.
And the cool part about that is having this access hole, we can still clean it out, no problem.
See what clean. See, all nice and clean.
Oh, here's this. This is the gas line to that fridge. What we're gonna do, instead of taking this gas line completely out, we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook a rubber hose to it, and we're gonna have a little notch out in that little cover that goes here, so that we can have like an outside grill, or if we wanted to cook outside instead of inside, we could have some sort of a propane source.
Because everybody knows in a small space like that, it gets so hot.
Yeah, it does.
So, clean? Yes. Tell me how I did.
We'll be back as soon as we start cutting some boards and show you what we're doing. So quick side note, these portable air conditioners have wheels. Okay, so instead of the thing rolling around in there, I went ahead and took the wheels off. We're gonna keep the wheels just in case. In case you guys are wondering, this is a 8,000 BTU. It's gonna pull a little bit, but you know what? I think we'll be okay. We did run into a little situation. I forgot how this thing was set up. The cool side is up there. The hot side is down here. So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to put a shelf like right here to separate it. Hot side is gonna be down here, or cool side is gonna be up here. We're gonna take like a, I don't know, we're probably gonna put a furnace filter right there or something to suck in the air that's already existing in the RV to cool it off. That should make it much more efficient. We're gonna set up the tripod. We're gonna use Hart tools to cut out our cuts. And you guys can use stuff that you've already got laying around for this. All right guys, this is kind of what we have in mind. Keep this separate. Out here, we have a little shelf right there. This was an absolute nightmare to get it right. Now we've got to attach it. Attach it there and on the other side, so this way that's a nice solid shelf. We are gonna end up probably closing this part off, probably up to here. So this way we have like a little cubby type deal. Probably spray foam or silicone all of this stuff in, so this way this stays separate. This will blow out. Hopefully this will work as we want it to. Always pay attention where your saw is going, because I did this.
Yeah, we gotta go get a new saw.
I gotta go get a new sawhorse now. And this was from the Hart. I didn't even know I was cutting into it. That's how powerful that thing is. So you guys are looking for cheap tools? Go get Hart. We have this thing running kind of the way I'm looking at it, but kind of ran into a little bit of an issue. We may have to take this pipe here, cut a hole, go right through it, run that pipe through the top, have the hot air escape there so that this coil can breathe in outside air to cool it off. That might work. That's probably what we're gonna have to do. I'm gonna take this board out, cut a hole through it, and then the other piece that this mounts to, this piece here, we're gonna cut down. We're gonna shove up in there to where it's a nice fit across, and then the hose will attach to this part and blow through the top. Let me show you the progress of what we're doing here. Shelf in, it was madness. You guys can see how I had to cut it. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of like expand foam and stuff down in there. You see how I have it ran. The old fridge exhaust vent up on the top. I got this pipe running up there. Now, what's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna close this off probably to about right here, and then have another piece of board meet up with this. So this way, it forces this on the back side to suck in from the outside, and then the exhaust is going to go through the top. That's the plans so far, and yes, I will have a little hose hooked up to it to drain the water out. It took screwing up a lot, and down here you can tell it's been wet. This thing leaked and I could not figure it out, but I got it figured out finally, and I'll show you the guys out here in a second. But here's basically what it's going to look like. You got the shelf right here. You got another shelf right here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this part off to make it yet another cubby hole. And what I'm gonna do for the cold side intake is I'm gonna cut a hole here, so this way it can take in air from right here. And then of course you guys see the hot air is going out of that vent that's up top, and that's a lot of hot air coming out of there. It's crazy on how much hot air is going out. It's definitely going to warm this area up. What I plan on doing maybe is taking some of that board and making like a wall to separate this. This concludes day one. I got this board back there, nice little cubby hole now. I'm gonna make that into a nice little cubby hole, and then I'm gonna build the wall back there. All of this is either gonna be silicone or spray foamed in, so this way, no air leaks, no nothing. So this has been a pretty long project, but I actually have to call it quits now because, well, we have a nasty storm coming in. So I'm gonna button this up, and then we're gonna go in and eat some supper and try her again tomorrow. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll talk to you later.